Hello kids! It's Father's Day today, so let's make Daddy a present. We will need a drawing or a picture of your dad and you together, a cardboard sheet, 4 cardboard stripes, some pasta pieces, some colored string, a paintbrush, some acrylic paint, and a glue stick. Are you ready? Let's start! First, we glue our drawing or picture to the cardboard sheet and let it dry. Then we paint with our paintbrush. We paint the cardboard stripes. Then we glue our stripes to the drawing margins like this, and we let it dry. Now let's paint some pasta pieces. And now let's glue our colored pasta pieces to our frame like this. Once our frame is dried, we can give it to Daddy and tell him, "Happy Father's Day, Daddy! I love you!"